Today's October the 1st, 2022. It's 8:30 in the morning. This is my MiG. I got it from Alpico. Kind of cold out here today. It says 51 degrees. Wind's coming out of the north. Almost right out of the north, so it's a crosswind. I don't know how this is going to do, or how I'm going to do with it. Well, it's up, but I see the wind is affecting it. Trimmed out pretty nice. I'm flying it on a 5000. That storm Ian down there has brought up a lot of wind and bands of clouds. Pretty devastating to them in Florida. This is a 90 millimeter from Avios. I've flown it a few times before. I don't think I'm going to need flaps. Take it down low. Don't hit the trees. Come in from this direction here. Oh, yeah, I let off the throttle and the first thing it did was want to head right into the wind. So yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I hope I don't run out of battery. Alright, now power off. Ooh. Oh. Doggone. Oh. Man. I'm having a heck of a time with this. This has got to be it this time. Got to be this. Yeah, look at it float. Well, got it down. Thank you, Lord. Grass landing. Man.